Every method in C# must declare a return type. Void is a keyword used as a return type for methods that do not return a value. It indicates that the method performs an action but does not produce a result that can be used elsewhere in the program. If a method has a void return type, it cannot be used in expressions or assigned to a variable. However, such methods can still perform operations, such as displaying output or modifying variables.